Hi, and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at gold and a potential for some upside. And it's very aggressive trading opportunity right now because what we may be seeing is the price forming a double bottom pattern here. And the reason I'm looking for that is if I just jump to the daily chart, we just have a look at what's going on here. Gold has been fairly bearish, okay? It has been significantly bearish. However, we did come back into this key demand zone. Now, we've seen the market bounce numerous amounts of times in this area on multiple different occasions, especially back in January 2019. So all I'm looking for is if it can't take out the January 2019 lows, we could see another pushback towards $1,300 on gold. And now we've seen, so let me just tell you where the January sort of low is. The 4th of January, we saw this candle push down and reject, okay? So the low of that candle is sitting around about 1276.69, okay? Now, if we look at this daily candle in here, what we've actually seen is the close was at 1276.78. So the close of this candle fits back within this demand zone, okay? So all I'm looking for is the potential for gold to bounce in this area. And what I was looking at a little bit earlier today was whether we'd get a false breakout of the daily low for a push to the upside, okay? And what we've seen is price just push back into the lows. So if I just actually put my trend line just there, we've seen the price push back down into those lows and push back up slightly. Now, if this candle finishes back within this candlestick range, so we've got another, a couple of hours left on this candle, so it could look completely different by the time this candle closes. It could have either already taken out the low, or it could have closed higher. Now, if it closes higher, this gives us an opportunity to look for a long position with our stops nicely tucked up at those lows in there and targeting that sort of $1,300 resistance level, okay? Now, you might want to look at the fact that if the market takes out these highs here, it would have completed the double bottom pattern, and that would be the neckline of the pattern. So if the market does take out these highs, you may just want to move stops to break even at that point. And that's only if this market does do as we are expecting it to do. If it does take out this low and closes below this low, then we're going to see something completely different. We're going to see continuation pattern on gold, and we're going to see a further continued fall. However, looking at the where the dollar index is at the moment, if I just actually go to the dollar index quickly, we can see it's sort of bid at the moment. It's back up into that $97 area, but it is kind of struggling to push higher, and we could see another fall here. Now, the reason being, seasonality shows through April, the dollar actually falls. And if this candle finishes like it is, we could see another breakdown of the dollar over the coming days. And that would lead to a bit of upside in the precious metals such as silver and gold. Silver's still hanging around. We've already long on silver, and it's still just hanging around at the moment, not looking too great. But again, if we do see that dollar breakdown, we may see another push up. This is a very aggressive trade, and only look for the trading opportunity if we do see that close back within this candlestick range. If it doesn't, then I wouldn't even place this trade in the first place. But something that I'm just keeping an eye on, look for in the next couple of hours where this candlestick finishes. Like I said, if it does finish in this candlestick range, look for that long opportunity, because we could have a potential double bottom forming after a false breakout, okay? So just have a little look at that. Hopefully this does play out, and let's see what happens in the next couple of hours. Thanks for watching. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe. If you're watching on TradingView, give us a follow, comment what do you think is going to happen with gold. Thanks for watching.